I'm going to show you exactly how to become a remote online notary in 2025, step by step. What's up, Notary Gang? It's your girl, Stephanie McAfee, back again with another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new video. I'm posting every single week, Wednesdays and Saturdays. I'm dropping, okay? So you don't want to miss it. Let's get into it. Are you ready to work from home, make real money online, and build a notary business that works for you 24/7? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to become a remote online notary in 2025, step by step. If you've been searching how to start a remote online notary business, how to notarize documents online, or how to make money as a notary from home, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about one of the most in-demand opportunities in the notary world right now, becoming a remote online notary, also known as RON. Whether you're brand new to the notary world, or maybe you've been doing loan signings or apostles for a while now, I honestly feel like remote services can unlock a whole new stream of income for you. Best part of all this is you can do this all from your laptop, legally and secure. Remote online notarization lets you notarize documents online using secure audio and video technology. You and the signer don't have to be in the same place, as long as both parties can connect through an approved platform and verify their identity. Just keep in mind that they do have to answer those knowledge-based authentication questions to be able to move forward with the signing of their documents. As long as they are able to verify their identity, you're good to go. Before you just jump in though, you want to make sure that you know your state laws, because every state does not offer the remote online notarization. I don't know if I'll put it here or in the description below, but I'll put a list of the states that currently offer remote online notarization, because not all states do, but hopefully within the near future more states offer it, because look at the world we're living in. It's technology based, so they should just prepare for the future, right? Some states are fully RON approved, while others have specific platforms or rules. You can check on your Secretary of State's website or NNA's online resources. You may be able to operate under another state's commission if you're strategic. So to do RON legally and professionally, you'll need to complete approved training. And this is where I really want you to focus. Some key things that you want to look for in the RON training are state-specific requirements, platform training like Doc Verify, Notarize. You want to also look for a digital certificate and an e-seal setup. You need to also check for their verification processes. And lastly, the client onboarding and security protocols. Once you've been trained, you'll need to select a secure RON platform. Each of them are going to have pros and cons, but here are a few options for you. Notarize, great for high volume, and they send you signings. One Notary, easy onboarding for beginners. Signix, best for independent notaries who want full control. Blue Notary, a newer platform gaining popularity. I want you to think about your budget, how much control you want over your pricing, and whether you want to bring your own clients or have the platform send you work. So you'll need a few essentials to go live as a RON. You're going to need a computer with a webcam and a mic, a secure internet connection. You'll need a digital certificate from IdenTrust or something similar. You'll need an electronic seal, and you'll need a RON approved journal. This can be digital or physical. Some platforms will help you generate your electronic seal and certificate. Others expect you to bring your own. Either way, make sure you're compliant before your first session. Next, you're gonna market yourself as a RON. This is where most notaries get stuck, but I wanna help you avoid that. So here's a few marketing tips for you. You're gonna list your RON services on your Google business profile. I want you to add keywords like online notary, remote notary, 24/7 notary to your website or social media. Partner with those out-of-state professionals, attorneys, loan officers, translators, and travel agents. Post short videos explaining how RON works, and these you can actually post to your Google business profile. Most people don't even know this, but it's possible. If you want help building your RON brand, book a 30-minute coaching session with me and we'll build it together. Another great benefit is you can serve clients from across the country and even outside of the country. So say someone is in Japan and they need a document notarized. You are actually able to send them a link to whatever video session that you have available to you. For example, Zoom. You're able to send them the link. They are able to hop on that Zoom call as long as you are within your jurisdiction. For example, I am in Ohio, so I will need to be in Ohio when I perform the online notarization. That's a great benefit because the client doesn't have to travel to where you are. You also have flexible hours. The longest I've ever spent on one was maybe 35-40 minutes. That's only because I had 2 signers at the time and they were a little bit older. They had a little bit of trouble getting through the questions and having to scan their ID, but I was able to walk them through the process of how to get their ID scanned. It only takes 20-25 minutes normally to get the document notarized. So once you've got your training platform, your tools, and your marketing in place, you're ready to notarize from anywhere. The key is to stay consistent, be professional, and treat it like it's a real business, because it is. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a new video. And also drop a comment below with questions on how to get started with Ron. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.